Come with me as we tour a standard and preferred room at Disney's All-Star Resorts. And thanks for watching Optimistically Disney, where we love all things Disney. If you're considering staying at one of the All-Star Resorts, All-Star Music, All-Star Sports, or All-Star Movies, these resorts have the exact same room. It doesn't matter if you're staying in a preferred room or a standard room. These rooms are the same. The only exception would be the family suites at All-Star Music, or if you need an accessible room at any of the resorts, you may have a king bed instead of the regular queen. But chances are, your room will look like what I'm about to show you. Most of the rooms at the All-Star Resorts have 2 queen beds, but one queen bed is a pull-down bed. When you arrive, you'll see a table with 2 chairs. Just move the chairs out of the way and pull down the Murphy bed. Super easy. Plus, having the bed up during the day gives you a lot more floor space compared to other rooms. All rooms have a very large flat-screen TV. In the dresser underneath the TV, there are 3 large drawers if you want to unpack. If you open the doors of the dresser, you'll find extra pillows plus a safe. Near the door, you'll see that there's a coffee maker and ice bucket on a small dresser with some shelves above for storage. This is really handy for snacks. All the coffee supplies are in the drawer below. Below that is a small fridge. The shelves inside are movable, so you should be able to fit what you need. You may have noticed that there are 3 nightstands in the All-Star Resort rooms. There's a phone on the middle one and Hey Disney on the far one. The bathrooms of the All-Star Resorts have a large sink with decent counter space and shelves. There's also an ironing board, hair dryer, and small closet for your convenience. A pocket door will separate the shower area so 2 people can get ready easily in the mornings. And of course, it includes shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Plus, it has a full tub. And I think that's everything. These rooms are very basic but have everything you need. Again, it doesn't matter which All-Star you stay at, your room will probably look like this. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful as you're planning your next vacation or dreaming about it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you know when a new video comes out. And thanks for watching Optimistically Disney, where we love all things Disney.